Hey everyone, today we are going to show you how to disable OneDrive on your Windows so that it does not sync your files anymore. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So for that, step number one you can do is you can unlink your account. You may go ahead and look out for the OneDrive icon in the system tray in the bottom right corner right here. Click on it and this opens up on your screen. You can select the gear icon to open up your settings for your OneDrive and select the settings option to open up your settings. Once you open it up, what you may do is you can go over and select the option of unlink this PC option. After that, you just need to confirm that you would like to unlink, and when you confirm it up, that will stop OneDrive from syncing your files but does not delete them from your PC. Apart from that, you can disable OneDrive on your startup as well. You can press Ctrl+Shift+ESC. You can just go ahead and type in Ctrl+Shift+ESC and that should open up your task manager. From here, you may just go over and go to the startup tab. So you can go over to the startup tab from here. And here, look out for OneDrive. Once you find OneDrive, you can right click on it and select the option for disabling it. This one right here, OneDrive, and select the option for disabling. And that will prevent OneDrive from starting automatically when Windows boots. Also, you can install OneDrive itself. Head over and hit Windows+I for that, and you can open up your settings. From there, go to Apps. And from here, you can look out for apps and features or something like that. And you can directly look out for the OneDrive application here. And once you find it up, you can just go ahead and install it. Click on three dot and select the option for install and confirm it up. And OneDrive will be completely removed from your PC. And that's it. Now OneDrive is now disabled and removed from your Windows PC. So if this video helped you out, do not forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.